Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello grade 3, welcome back to science activity. Today we are going to learn about food. So the practical science now is food test. With this experiment, you can identify types of nutrient in food like carbohydrate, protein, fat, or lipid, and vitamin. But for this experiment, we only identify the carbohydrate and fats. The material we need are iodine solution, and then brown pepper, and the sample of food like rice, bread, or potatoes, and then yellow egg and butter. Don't forget to prepare water, and then tube or plate. How to identify the types of nutrient in food, especially carbohydrate. Let's get started. First, to make a control, because we have to compare the reagent with sample and reagent without sample. This is for control. Put water into a tube and then add a few drops, just one drop. Shake it or mix it. Okay, you can see the solution become yellow to brown. Okay, after you make a control solution, next let's test the sample of food and put the sample into the tube. I use rice and add some water and add a few drops of iodine solution, just one, and shake it. Okay, let's compare the reagent with sample and without sample. This is the control. You can see the color is brown, and for the sample, the reagent with sample is dark purple or blue. Observe the change in color. If there is appearance of blue or purple, dark purple, then the presence of carbohydrate is confirmed, like this. It's positive carbohydrate or amylum or starch. Let's move to a lipid test or fat test. Okay, for fat test or lipid test, take the brown paper and then split the paper into two parts and make control without sample and with sample. Okay, for the control, you can use water, and then for the sample you can choose one, butter or yellow egg. I use butter, and let's check it. Just apply the sample. Okay, you can use your finger, switch it into on the paper. For butter, you can switch the butter, okay, with your finger like this. Okay, and then wait until 5 minutes. After it's dry, you can see the result. After 5 minutes, observe the spot. If there is appearance of translucent stain, then presence of fat is confirmed, like butter. You can see the water on the sample of water, cannot see translucent stain. So with this result, the fat is confirmed in the sample of food.